Welcome students, this is Varsha here. This is 8th lesson. So trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. So complementary angles and supplementary angles. So students, you have studied lot of formula, okay, but do you know how it comes? Okay, so many of the students, they didn't know how the formula comes, but they know to use the formula. Okay, so here is a video to know about the formula, how it comes. Okay, so here I'm going to explain how sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta it comes. Okay, so in the trigonometry you can verify each and every formula, okay, by the triangle. See, you have studied in your smaller classes complementary angles and supplementary angles. What do you mean by complementary angles, students? When you add the two angles, if you get 90 degree, okay, the sum of any two angles, if you get 90 degree, that is equal to complementary angles. Okay, so I take A and B. So if when you add, if you get 90 degree, it is known as complementary angles. If A plus B, if you add, you get 180 degree, it is known as supplementary angles. Okay, so do you understand what is complementary angles and supplementary angles? Okay, so if you add, when you add you get 90, it is complementary. If you get 90, it is supplementary. Sorry, 180, it is supplementary. Okay, see, you have a triangle. So I want to differentiate. So I am using two colors. Okay, see, this is green and this one is red. See, I am going to write, see, for A angle. This is called A and this is C. Okay, see, sin A. So what is your sin A? So students, what is your sin A? Sin A means opposite of A by the hypotenuse. So the angle which is opposite to A, the side, this is BC. So BC by AC. Okay, do you understand? Yes. So now cos A. So what is your cos A? So this is opposite side BC. So adjacent is AB. So this is AB by AC. Okay. Now write the sin C value. So what is your sin C? See, C is here. So what is the opposite side to C? That is AB. So AB by AC. Okay. So now cos C. So what is the value for cos C, students? C. So this is C. The opposite side is AB. So what will be the adjacent? That is BC. So BC by hypotenuse AC. Okay, so I have written only two sides, sin A, cos A, sin C, cos A. So what are they equal? See, what is the equal? See, BC by AC, sin A, this is cos A. So these are equal. Okay, and cos A and sin C are equal. The value is equal. So it means sin A is equal to cos C. So equal to BC by BC. This is first thing. The next one is, see, cos A is equal to sin C. It means AB by AC. Okay, so what do you mean by, what is the relation between A and C? See, this is A and C. So, A and C are complementary angles, where A and C are complementary angles. See, A, when you add A and C, definitely it will be 90 degree. Why? Because the three sides of the triangle, when you, the sum of the three triangles is always 180 degree. Okay, so it means A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. So B is 90. So A and sum of A and C should be 90 degree. So these are called complementary angles. See, so when you take sin A, the sin A is equal to cos C. Means A and C are complementary angles. See, so if you take sin theta, see, for A I am giving theta. So this is, so which is one equal? So this is equal to cos C. It means you can write for C, you can write this is 90 minus theta. See, I am going to write again sin A equal to cos C. So the C can be written as 90 minus A. Do you understand? Yes? Yes, what is the next one, students? That is cos A. See, that is equal to sin C. So C sin C. So this C can written as 90 minus A. This is what the formula comes. Okay. So I hope you all understand. So finally the formula comes, how it comes, see, sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta. Then second formula, cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. This is what the formula we are going to in the next video. So in the next exercise. So see, sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta and cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. See, like this sin and cos, tan and cot, cosecant and secant, they have a relationship. So we will see that in the next video. Okay. So do you understand? Yes, I hope you all understand. So after seeing the video, please give a like symbol. Thank you, students.